Welcome, today I'm with me UleFone Armor 70 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which this device comes. Let's first open the box. So let's just check first. Here, this is the Type-C cable and the adapter, the charger, the original UleFone super fast charger with the specifications here. Let's just check the second box, the small one. Just let's open it. Oh, so this is the SIM eject tool. Also we got here the phone stand. Cool. And the just phone lanyard. A lot of different paperwork like the warranty cards, the phone instruction, the safety guide, user manual, and the tempered glass also. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.